Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your Motorola is ready. Update the system and the Google app, then set Google as your default assistant so the gesture routes correctly. Next, open Settings and go to System or Accessibility to enable the circle to search gesture. Grant camera and storage permission when prompted so image search can work. Once enabled, practice a short light circle on your lock or home screen to confirm the feature activates. If it doesn't, recheck the assistant and permission settings. You perform the search by drawing a single smooth circle around the item you want to identify. Do this with a finger while the screen is awake. After the gesture, the system highlights the area. Use the blue handles to expand or shrink the selection so the algorithm focuses on the right object. Once refined, tap the lens icon or the search card that appears to pull up web matches, shopping links, translations, or text actions. Make sure lighting and steadiness are good for clearer results. You finish by exploring the result cards. Open full pages, copy text, or share findings directly and save images to your gallery if needed. If results are poor, draw another circle focusing more tightly or tap related searches to broaden context. If the feature won't start, make sure the Google app has camera and microphone permissions, then force stop and reopen it. If problems persist, uninstall updates or reinstall the app. That quick troubleshooting step usually restores circle to search functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.